Hello, my beautiful Sharynzoo crew family. Well, we got birds screaming. We got Sammy here playing with Bob. We got birds up. Hi, Sam. Your tail wagging? Yeah? You're a happy boy? It's snowing outside. It's snowing outside. I'm going to go see the snow. All right? What are you doing? What are you doing? Silly. Look at this. We got unexpected snow. They said there'd be a little snow coming down for like an hour. And it's been windy. Flakes are kind of big. They call it a snow squall. Comes the wind. Comes a car. Didn't expect this today. Oh my goodness, look at these guys. These girls. Hi. Hi. Wanna come up? Wanna come up? Climb up. Climb up. Hello. Hello, little Lily. Hello, little Lily. Hi, Mila. Oh, you want to come back up again? Oh, kissing? Mila Minute wants to come too. They both want to come up. They both want to come up. Well, it's snowing outside a little bit. Just for a little while. Hello, Miss Kipper. Hello, Miss Kipper. You want to come say hi to Miss Cece? You want to come say hi too? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Hello, Cece. Oh my goodness. This one always wants to climb up. Hi, Lola. Hey, Lola. Hello, babies. Hello, babies. Oh my goodness. I want more ferrets. I want more ferrets. Hello. Hello, hello, hello. You are, look at her face. Look at her face. Little Lily. What are you doing? I swear ferrets are the best. Look at my little Cece, my little albino. My little albino. And what are you doing? Yeah, Heiny. Yeah, Heiny. What, you want to come up? Oh, they're so cute. Hello, Miss Lola. Hello, Miss Lola. And we got Sammy playing with Bob again. What are you guys doing? What are you guys doing, baby G and Django? Oh, you gonna come out soon? Yeah. Anyway, guys, we just wanted to say hello on this little bit of a snowy Saturday. Show you the ferrets up. You got up on my couch. You got up on my couch. Our couch. Huh? Huh, Miss Lola? Hi, sweetie baby girl. Hello, sweetheart. Hey, guys. Hello. Hi, cuties. Look at that face. Look at that face on her. Oh, I love it. All right, guys, we hope you have an awesome day. We love you, love you, love you. Bye.